Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix ghost touch while charging, which means if you put your iPhone to charge and you see that it is happening as a ghost touch, which means it touches itself. So what you have to do, first of all, what you have to simply make sure that you use a proper iPhone cable or and all the necessary for the charge. And if you are using any third party charger or cable, you have to make sure that you simply disconnect that. And one of the reason of ghost touch is that you have recently changed your screen, and you have not changed your screen from the official Apple store, and screen replacement is not correct, so that's why it is having a problem. So the next thing you have to do is you have to simply press and hold the power button and no volume button. After that you have to simply restart your iPhone, and after restarting your iPhone you have to turn it on again, and you have to make sure that your ghost touch is not coming now while you put on charging. So you have to make sure of that. If the problem is still there, then you can simply go for the settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply reset all of your network settings. If the problem is still there, you can simply go back, and after that you can simply go for the Apple ID, and you have to check whether it is updated to the latest version of the iOS. And if you have already updated to the latest version, if a problem is still there, then you can simply go for the official Apple store and show to them the problem you are having with your screen. So they will give you a proper guidelines about this. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.